Okay, going back to the dative and the pronouns. So now that we know our pronoun endings, we have, if we remember, for the dative, it's either e in the singular or is or it is in the plural. So let's look at these examples. We have here Julius Juliae malum dat. Julius gives an apple to Julia. If we wanted to say Julius gives an apple to her, what would we use? Well, we need the dative. If you come over here, we need the dative, feminine, and it's just the same, singular. It's the same for everybody, so it's ei. So ei would be the answer there. And for here, Julius pira servista, Julius gives pears to the slaves or to the maids. And then here we would say Julius gives pears to them. If we wanted to say to them, we have two options. Over here would be the them. We could say iis or eis. So let's say, I think sometimes our book uses eis. That has a dot on it. So, and Julius osculum Juliae Ameliae que dat. Julius gives a kiss to Julia and Amelia. Julius gives a kiss to them. Again, them, it's the same whether it's slaves, masculine, or feminine. It's all iis or eis. And so this would also be is. Okay. Okay, so let's look at some of these examples of other examples of the dative. So here we have Medus ei multa oscula dat. So Medus, he gives many kisses ei. Now what you have to ask yourself is ei singular or plural? And what could it mean? Well, since ei, if we look at our pronouns, we see that ei could be, is definitely singular, and it could be masculine, feminine, or neuter. So depending on what happened earlier in the sentence, Medus could give many kisses probably to her, probably not to him. Amelia pirum puellae dat. Amelia gives, what does she give? She gives a pear, accusative ending. Who, to whom? To the girl. Remember, this is not plural, this is singular. Here, the dative singular is I, a. Okay, magistra rosam parvae puellae dat. The teacher gives a rose to the small girl. The next one, Julius Ciro et Leandro mala dat. Julius gives apples, more than one, to Cyrus and Leander. Julius servis pira dat. Julius gives pears. This guy, he's plural, to the slaves. And finally we have Julius filii suae osculum dat. Julius gives a kiss, one, to his daughter. Suae filii. Thus ends the dative.